I think one of the biggest issues in the industry today is not understanding the difference between mortgage versus bankruptcy versus modification as it relates to monthly income and expenses. The mortgage underwriting is one animal, it's one discipline. Bankruptcy rules are another discipline. And modification, as far as, and again, here I'm talking about income and expenses. The rules for modifications are, it's a completely different animal when it comes to income and expenses. So there are three different disciplines. It's very difficult to find people that understand in depth how these different disciplines work. And it's probably one of the most important factors when being considered for a modification. So, and let me just give an example, right? And again, I'm no lawyer, but I've seen enough what in the bankruptcy industry is called Schedule I, Schedule J, that is a representation of your income. And again, there are different rules behind how the income has to be demonstrated. There's different rules on how the expenses need to be. So you have to have an intimate knowledge of how these work. I work with many bankruptcy attorneys, and very regularly we will clarify exactly how we're doing the income, exactly how we're doing the expenses in a coordinated fashion within the bankruptcy setting, as well as the application that's submitted for the modification. So it's very, very detailed. It's very granular stuff. Many people don't understand how the numbers are different. What I can tell you is it does require a good fundamental or exceptional understanding of how these different disciplines work. So that's another big caution that I tell to attorneys that I work with, as well as any consumers that I'm working with directly. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to contact us if you'd like a free analysis. I'd like to have at least a mortgage statement, exactly how much your taxes and insurance are, as well as estimated income over the last 2 or 3 months. And of course, you can subscribe and like the video. If you'd like to learn more about loss mitigation and loan modifications, I have a subscription on my website, which you can feel free to jump on a website, which is loanmodificationtrainer.com, for a lot more information on topics covered. Thank you.